Cool.
Oh,
All right, Parker, can you define Italy?
oh. That's where people talk different languages and things.
What kind of languages do they talk? Italian, maybe?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, can you tell me where Texas is?
It's near Oklahoma.
Good. What about hurricane? What's a hurricane?
That's when it's
What does it do?
it blows things away.
Okay. How about swimming pool?
That's when
A what?
a swimming pools when it might be 5 feet, might be 12 feet, might be like 3 feet, might be 4.5 feet. You never know.
You never know? It usually tells you that, right?
I know. There's this number.
Always telling you, not usually.
Usually? What does usually mean, Austin?
I can't really explain it.
You can't?
No.
Well, how you use the word? Why would you use it?
It means like most of the time.
Good. Very good.